Hello, my name is Andres Fernando Chamorro Sanchiro. Program technology is software analysis and development SENA. Evidence video. Contadero, Nariño, Colombia. Course English. File 3336211. Instructor Leonel Andrea Hurtado Salas. Change is reality. Change happens in nature, companies, market, and society. Mobile and digital technologies are among the fastest changing tools. They modify how operations, products, and services work. Companies and professionals will have adapted for to digital ecosystem by the coming years. Evolutionary versus revolutionary. Evolutionary step-by-step improvement. Example: programming languages from simple code to modern structure. Office tools from basic editors to collaborating cloud platforms. Revolutionary big sudden change. Example: internet, smartphone, cloud computing, artificial intelligence applied to development. By next year, I will have learned several new development frameworks. Cultural variations and education work. Before work and learning we mostly face-to-face fixed schedules. Now digital interactions, remote work, flexible learning. Values still remain: respect, teamwork, service, but methods change. In my training, researching, self-learning, and collaborating will have become a standard skill. Technology will have been speedily access to knowledge for all regions. Evolution in software development. Current skill, logic, thinking, algorithms, pseudocodes, flowcharts, recent search, and use of the new tools. Future evolution, more automation, better integration, mobile first dating. By the time starting work professional, I will have applied these advanced to real problems. New tools will have been operating constant to support development. Conclusions. Technology is a continuous evolving process, not only tools, but also how we think and act. Evolutionary and revolutionary change complement each others. Call adapt education, work, and relationships change from but keep essential values. Lifelong learning is necessary. By the coming year, I will have continued updating my knowledge. Thank you. Andrés Fernando Chamorro Sanchir. Technology evolves, learning never stops.